Today, I'm going to show you how to remove Powered by Shopify. Head to your Shopify store, click on Online Store or Home, click on Customize, and then once you are in your customization page, head to Theme Settings. Right here, scroll down and then try finding the footer. And right here, as I said, back to Theme Settings. You can even find this from here, I believe, or head back to your theme. Click right here, click on Edit Languages, and then filter by Powered. As you can see right here, you can see this Shopify will be powered by Shopify. And then here you will be able to remove it. Click on Save. And remember this, as you can see right here, is powered by Shopify. Let's now update the page. Let me hide this bar. Update the page again. And after a bit, it should work. Okay, so we should actually fill it with something. All rights are reserved, for example, and let's save it. Head back to here, refresh. Let's hide this bar again. Let's refresh again, a second. And it should be basically removed and replaced with this. That's basically it, guys, for today's tutorial. See you guys in another video.